Scott Kelby here, and I'm here with my dear friend, travel photographer Rick Sammon. Rick, I got a pop quiz for you.
Go ahead, I'm ready.
All right, let's talk about scary things when we're shooting travel photography. Is it scary to shoot monuments?
No.
Is it scary to shoot buildings?
Not at all.
Is it scary to shoot coliseums or cathedrals?
Absolutely not.
What are people scared about in travel photography?
Well, I found after traveling to 100 countries, 100 different countries, they're afraid to photograph people.
Absolutely, and so many people come back from their travels, and what they have is buildings and bridges and canals, and there's no one that lives there. No one lives there. All they see is other tourists in their pictures. What if you were able to capture amazing pictures of the locals? What if you could make beautiful portraits and everyone looks amazing and you've got great light and great posing? How do you even get to talk to these people? Are we going to tell them how?
We're going to tell them that. We're going to cover accessories. We're going to cover window light, shooting indoors, outdoors, and bright light and low light. Everything that you need to make a good picture the next time you go traveling.
But this is not just camera settings and stuff. What we really focus on is how to get people to let you photograph them, how to get great setup shots, how to do all these things. And you look at these amazing pictures that other people are getting, you're like, I'll never get a shot like that. Yes, you can. You absolutely can. And we're going to show you how in our brand new class, it's a travel photography class on getting great portraits of the locals. And it's only found one place, right here at KelbyOne.